What's up, gang? I should go Jay back. I'm back with another video today. Today, I got another video and I'm gonna be beatboxing. You already know. And I got me a new shirt. And what is it on the back? Yeah, wait, no. Alright, so we'll start off with the easy one. Now we're gonna go for the medium. Yeah, I spent one. Now we're gonna do horn. Hey, why you spraying out of cologne? Who's spraying what cologne? No, that's my voice. No, Ace, no, Ace. Oh, no, I didn't find it.